Hey guys, Kevin here from Tin Tipper. I just want to go over and see how to open the back gates on these dumpsters. Very simple, very easy. I'm going to flip the camera around and let's take a look. So there's two things that you got to do. You've got to open up this bar here, bring that down. We've got them all greased up. And then you have a chain here. The chain comes around, pulls out just like that. Pull the lever, goes up. Just like that. And the bins will open up. And just like that, you've got an open bin. This happens to be our 20 cubic yard dump. The measurements are 12 feet by 8 feet by 6 feet. And as you can see, they're very large. I would say probably 3 rooms you can get out of this dumpster here. But if you guys need anything, we've got 11 cubic yards, 15 cubic yards, and 20 cubic yards. Give us a shout and we'll help you guys out. Thanks for watching.